Here's a very short video about knobs and sliders. In the last couple of videos, we built a system that layers up 3 different elements. Now, as soon as we're layering up different elements and we have a mixer, it would be nice to control this in a more intuitive way. So what we can do is we can drag out from that float input and we can promote to graph input. And you can see that that gives us a knob. And we can do the same with the others, promote to graph input. What we'll probably want to do is give this a meaningful name. So we'll call it gain. In this case, it's for the thump element. And this one is for the large glass. And this one is for the small glass. If we select this knob, we can see that we've got some options in the Details tab, and that is to set a default for it and a range for it. At the moment it's between 0 and 1, which makes a lot of sense for volume control. We might want to add a little bit more headroom to that, so we might have 0 to 1.5. We could change that into a slider if that's the kind of input method you prefer, and we can have that as a vertical slider. Setting appropriate ranges and defaults are particularly important when we come to make presets later on, but we'll return to that discussion. Just one thing that I wanted to try out that builds upon the idea of setting and getting variables is an approach that will also help us tidy up this graph a little bit. If we promoted this to a graph variable, then our input could actually set that variable. So we drag this across, and this time we hold Shift to set and connect those up. We'll change these to vertical sliders as well. Promote these to variables. And get them over here by holding Shift before we drop it. And then we can actually put these anywhere in the graph. Add a comment. So then we have a mixer section for our MetaSound. We've also had a little bit of practice with creating graph variables and setting them and getting them.